Shenzhen Jieyao Electronics belongs to AnHui. Jieyao Electronics Company. It was established in 2021, mainly for R&D and sales. AnHui Jieyao Electronics Company Limited, established in the year of 2019, specialize in designing manufacturing sales. We are experts manufacturer in consumer electronics industry. We've been doing this consumer electronics PT charger, wall charger power adapter, wireless charger power bank smart water timer, PCBA transformers etc. Works and benefiting mobile phone, computer accessory customer group for years. Our products are widely used in cell phones, tablets, computer smart wearable products and various portable electric devices, and also our products are available on the shelf of major US and EU retailers. We have our own patented products, and all products are in compliance with international certification standards, such as ETL/FCC CEGS, PCB, UKCA ROC REACH, etc. Our factory covers an area of 10,000 square meters, with a professional team of 10 professional engineers and more than 200 employees, and an annual output value of $9.3 million USD. With a production capacity of 18 million units, some SMD lines and DIP lines, to assembly lines and 10 transformer production lines. We insist on quality as the cornerstone, service for development, reputation for brand building and win-win situation, and strive to become a one-stop solution provider and manufacturer of consumer electronics.